Good evening from India. I hope I'm audible now and you are able to watch the topic on introduction of Ayurveda. Please write in the chat box or unmute yourself. And I will request if it is comfortable to all, you can switch on your video also for just few seconds. So I will mark the attendance. Then you can switch off. There is no issue. If it is possible, if you are comfortable, please um, switch on your videos as well for few seconds only, so I will mark the attendance. Thank you. 1 minute, I'm just okay. Thank you. If you're comfortable, you can mark it, you can make it off also if you're comfortable, or you can keep it like that. Okay, so this is the very first topic when we start the training. Almost any training we have three Ayush approved trainings: basic level fundamentals, advanced level fundamental, as well as the diet and nutrition. So this is the first topic that we discussed in every training. So this is about the Ayurveda. So today, what we are going to discuss, I will quickly share with you. We will discuss the definition. What does Ayurveda mean? Then, in a very short explanation, we will discuss origin of Ayurveda, how it was originated, and how it progressed. Then, unique aspects to Ayurveda, how Ayurveda is different from other medical fields. Next, aim of Ayurveda, why it was written, why it was presented to the world, and eight branches of Ayurveda. Today we see a lot of specialization in Ayurveda, but Ayurveda has been divided into eight branches that we will discuss. Then we will discuss about the mind, body, and soul integration, soul concepts, and if time permits, few more topics like the soul and the five sheaths around the soul, Panchakosh. These are the topics for today, but if you are interactive, if we are interacting more, if you want more clarification, we may not be able to finish the whole chapter, but as much as we will do, I will try. So we have 1 hour. We will be active till post 8, 8:10, 8:15, because we have another class at 8:30. So I hope it is clear to you, and now we will start with the topic. Yes. If any one of you have any query, you can unmute in between the class. You can write down in the chat box also. So everybody will be benefited by your questions. Don't hesitate to ask the questions. So today we are discussing about Ayurveda. We are entering into the field of Ayurveda. It is the oldest branch of medicine. It's the oldest practice of medicine in the over the globe. So it is the Indian system of medicine, Ayurveda. So Ayurveda has been written initially in Sanskrit language, Devanagari language. In Sanskrit language, Ayurveda, it is made up. Ayurveda is made up of two words actually, Ayu and Veda. And when we combine together, we pronounce it as Ayurveda. So it is having two components, Ayu and Veda. Ayu stands for the life, and Veda stands for the knowledge or the science. So, science of life, the knowledge of life is Ayurveda. Now, what is more important is the definition of Ayu. If any one of you can share what do you mean by Ayu without looking at the notes, or what comes to your mind, share with me. What do you mean by life? when we say a person is live, any one of you can unmute, any one of you can type here in the chat box. What do you think is life, or what do you feel you can define life as? I hope I am audible, and the question is clear. How do you define life? When do you say people are live? Okay, there is one Italia is sharing the way the people live, think, eat. Okay, the way people we like if we are living means we are thinking, we are eating, so we are live. Okay, this is one definition. Good. And others people say we are live till we are breathing, so breathing is also one of the definition of life. Life means being active also. Yes, the dead people are inactive, live people are active. Breathing is also one of the terms on which we can define a person live or dead, right? But now let us see what Ayurveda says. If anybody wants to share anything else, you are most welcome. If any other idea, if any other views are there, you can share. Any other idea, any other view? Okay, now let us see what Ayurveda says. So, okay, so Ayurveda is, if we talk about the history of Ayurveda, it's around 5,000-year-old Vedas. That time, uh, these books were written on the leaves, uh, Bhurj, Bhurj Patra or Bhoj Patra, a special leaf that uh, we were using, or the bark of the tree we were using to write down. So, 5,000 year old. So, according to Ayurveda, what is life? What is Ayu? Ayurveda defines Ayu as the Samayog, or the correct combination. Samayog, the correct combination of the body, which is destructible, and we are perishable, we are mortal, and our senses, the five senses we have, the sense organs, the mind, the think tank, and the reincarnating soul, the indestructible soul. They all, if have a very correct combination, then we call it as a whole life, or the Ayu. So only the physical body is not about the life. It is the combination of the physical body, the sense organs, the mind, and the soul. If they are working together in harmony, then we call it the life. So Ayurveda is considered as the most sacred science of life.